18, please come to the stage. 20, please come to the stage. I know that you're all concerned that you think I have made a mistake. I have caused you anxiety. I apologize to my community.
We accept your apology.
Jonas, I apologize to you in particular. I caused you anguish.
I accept your apology.
Please come to the stage now. Jonas has not been assigned. He has been selected as the receiver of memory. I know that I've caused... I made a mistake.
Nicole?
Drop it. Oh my god, Allison!
You told me to drop it.
Allison dropped it.
You told me to drop it! What's wrong with you? You're the one... You're screaming at me when you... Oh, Allison, drop it! You eat it, Peyton.
No, thank you.
Disgusting.
I
wonder if they'll notice.
We can tape it back together.
You know the lens is on?
Oops. I don't know how to take it off. Ding, 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 ding.
I'm gonna lock it on you.
No.
You don't even know how to open
She
it.
locked the gate on me. I don't know how to. It's like blonde proof. Oh, come on. Hi, got it. Ding dong, ding dong. Ding 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 dong.